Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect React Native SecureStore with Stripe payments step by step clearly. Start by setting up your React Native project if you haven't done so already. Open your terminal and run the command npx React Native init your project name. Change your directory to the newly created project folder using cd your project name. Install the required packages for SecureStore and Stripe. Run the command npm install at React Native async storage at stripe React Native. Next, install the React Native Community SecureStore package. You can do this by running npm install expo SecureStore if you're using Expo. If you're not using Expo, consider using a different package for secure storage, such as React Native Secure Storage. Now, open your project in your favorite code editor. In your code editor, navigate to the app.js file or wherever you plan to implement the payment functionality. Import SecureStore at the top of your file. Use import asterisk as SecureStore from Expo SecureStore. Next, import Stripe at the top as well. Use import Stripe provider, use Stripe from at stripe React Native. Initialize Stripe by wrapping your app's main component with the Stripe provider component. Provide your Stripe publishable key as a prop. Next, create a function to save sensitive data using SecureStore. This function can be called SaveData, and it should take a key and value as parameters. Use the SecureStore method SecureStore.setItemAsync key value to save the data securely. Now, create another function to retrieve sensitive data. Name this function getData, which should take a key as a parameter. Use SecureStore.getItemAsync key to fetch the data securely. To start the payment process, create a function named handlePayment. Within this function, retrieve the payment details required for Stripe. This may include an amount, currency, and any other necessary parameters. Now, call the Stripe payment method inside this function. Use the Stripe SDK to set up your payment method, such as await Stripe.payment request with payment intent. Ensure you handle success and failure responses appropriately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.